Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up Vellabox, my monthly candle subscription I love so much. I've been opening this forever on our channel. It's just so good. So of course you get a candle every single month. They have 3 different subscription tiers. I get the top tier, the Vivere tier. Top is in the most expensive. This one is $30 a month, but they start at $10. So there's a $10, $20, and a $30 box. And what's different is the size of the candle. I do have a link and a code with Vellabox I'll leave down below. You can save $5 off any of your boxes, the first box I should say, of your subscription. And I just recommend this so much for yourself, also as a gift. It's like the best gift ever. And you can just get a certain amount of months as a gift, so you don't have to have a continuous subscription. So definitely recommend that, especially last minute gifts. It is a great idea. The candles smell so good. They're made from local artisans in the United States, made in small batches, hand poured, free of icky toxins. The burn time's amazing. They smell amazing. It's just so good. It's a very eco-conscious company, very sustainable company. I really support them. I love them so much. I get one sent to me free for review, not sponsored, and I also get a paid one as well. I just checked they're the same this month, so sometimes I'll open 2. But yeah, there's a scent profile you fill out, and they do such a good job sending the candles I like, because I always also personally pick one for like PR, and it always ends up being the same. So they really go off that profile you fill out with scent preferences when you first subscribe. They also have a shop on their website you can check out. I'll link down below. Let's get started and see what we have. And there's always a beautiful canvas bag that holds your candle, and a bonus gift that comes with it, and a Spotify playlist that goes with the theme of the month or the candle of the month. It's just so beautifully packaged and like so eco-conscious. You just have the right amount size box, not like a huge box with all the packaging stuff in it that can get annoying. This is so cute. It says peace in your home, peace in your mind, peace in your heart, peace in your soul. I love the colors. So here's what I'm talking about. They have the canvas bag that holds the candle. It's different most months. It's beautiful. You can repurpose it in whatever way, like put gifts in there, or if you have like a Mercari store like I do or something like that, send goodies that way. So many different things you can do. And we have a little piece of paper here that'll tell us where our candle is from. And here's our little goodie. I'm excited about it. I'm going to place that to the side. So let's see where our candles come from for the May box. Rose West Studio, based out of LA, Los Angeles, California. So it gives a little description of them. I'll just skim through and say a little bit. So they make handcrafted, earth-conscious products inspired by curiosity and driven by our community. This is a place where scent is transformative and your experience is immersive. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, wow, awesome. They also source with intention, supporting like-minded brands that share their brand mission, supporting the AAPI and BIPOC communities wherever possible. So their website is rosewest.studio, and you can use Vellabox20 for 20% off. And let's see what candle I got. So I got my candle from the Sweet and Spice plus Woodsy category, the scent category. And the scent I got was number 2, Mulholland Drive. I love this packaging. I always say this, but I really like the simplistic packaging. I just feel like this will look good with any decor. I actually have a Vellabox. I always have, on one of my altars there, you can see I have a candle burning that's from Vellabox. All my candles are from there. So what are the notes? Mandarin, sandalwood, smoke, peony, cardamom, and vanilla. This is gonna be so good. I'm so excited. Oh my God. This is giving me a throwback. It smells so good, but it reminds me of something. It might remind me of like a relative and like what their place smelled like. It smells so good. Okay. You know it's good when I can't stop sniffing, which is like every month. Can't stop sniffing. Oh my God, it smells so good. I can't stop. Okay, so since we don't have smell-o-vision, I'm gonna hold the candle up. I'm gonna ask you to take a whiff, and I will read the scent description to you so you can get a sense of what it's like. Ready? Mulholland Drive is the embodiment of Hollywood luxury and the perfect balance of masculinity and femininity. This fragrance is a rich blend of soft mandarin and peony with deep sandalwood and smoke. It smells so freaking good. And now I'm like, Hollywood luxury. Emmy, hi, welcome to the party. It smells so good. I love it. I love anything with sandalwood, but again, let me read the notes to you guys. There's a lot in there, but I'm like picking up on it. So sandalwood, definitely smell that. Mandarin, cardamom, smoke, peony, vanilla, and cedar. I feel like there is like a light touch of all of them when you smell it. Oh, look at little baby. Hi. You want to put your butt in the internet. What do you think? Want to give it a little sniff? Come over a little closer. Oh, I'm trying to get her in camera. It smells really good. But yeah, I don't really smell vanilla, maybe just like a scent of it. Oh, the sandalwood part. Love it so much. I can't stop. That's always a good sign. It passed the sniff test. Amazing. I can't wait to light that up later. I love it. So their playlist for the month is Soft Life. So you scan this and their curated list comes up. You're a soundtrack in cultivating a lifestyle where self-care, simplicity, and finding joy in the little things are paramount. An invitation to slow down, breathe deeply, and immerse yourself in the blissful pursuit of a life lived softly. Listen and burn for the ultimate vibe. Love it. And our extra bonus goodie that'll be in all of the boxes. I love these. This is a little fragrance roll-on in lavender silk. I actually have one. I don't know, lavender silk. We'll have to see what the silk part really applied, but I have a lavender roll-on. I use it every night when I do my evening yoga. Oh, I just love it. This is great to just like signal to your brain that it's relaxation time, and plus it smells so good. So let's see. So it's made with sweet almond oil, hazelnut oil, grapeseed oil, and fragrance oil. Handmade in the USA by Vellabox. Apply to pulse points like temples, wrists, necks, and behind the ears. Avoid contact with the eyes for external use only. Ooh, it smells good. It's not too, I have other perfume on, so I'm trying not to, oops, I almost put that on me. It's not like just straight up lavender, like there's something else. It smells really nice. You can wear this in the daytime too. I mean, you can always wear lavender during the daytime, but it's not just like straight up strong lavender. Like, I wish I could describe it better. Let's see, does it say anything on here? This is a $22 value. Damn, these last a long time too. Like I use the other one. I keep pointing over there because it's on my table right there because I do yoga on the floor right in front of here. But it lasts a long time is my point. So it's their first ever release of a fragrance roll-on. Apply as you would perfume and cologne. Hey, my little baby. Lavender Silk is the newest scent addition to our signature collection and also is available in a candle, 4, 8, or 16 ounces. It's primarily an herbal fragrance with notes of lavender, wild herbs, violet, cedar leaf, camphor, and eucalyptus. Oh, what a lovely combo. I couldn't pinpoint it. It smells so good. I like this a lot. We love it for the roll-on because it's versatile, both masculine and feminine, and appropriate for year-round wear. Yeah, this is like you can wear every day, for real. That's awesome. I love this. I was thinking it was going to be like exactly like my other lavender roll-on, but it's not, which is amazing. A pleasant surprise. Even though I like that one, I already have it, so super excited about this. What a great month. It always is so good. So we got our lavender silk roll-on in our candle, Mulholland Drive. Am I saying that right? Mulholland Drive? I feel like I've heard of it before. This smells so good. I love it. I like this combination together too. Love it, love it, love it. If you guys got a different candle, let us know what you got and how it smells, and are you obsessed with it too? I can't wait to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Again, I will link Vellabox down below along with the promo code to save $5 off any of the subscription plans. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you for being here today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.